Hey, what is up, guys? Monkey Smash 1 here, and today, on New Year's, I have a very special thing to show you. So, as you may know, for the past couple weeks now, if you've been watching some update videos, I have been, me and my friend Hurricane Gaming, have been working on a new series. Now, I did post a straw poll of what we should title the series, but no one was voting except me and Hurricane. So I put all the votes and all the names in here, and it came up Hurricane Island. It's like a randomized picker thing. So there's Hurricane Island, and I'll show you the map in creative because we're not expecting to get trophies. So, I gotta do this on the spot, but I gotta move some things and put this. I gotta set this down. Sorry for stable, not so stable video, but I gotta put this down here. So, yeah, my recording setup. I put my phone on this little car I've made, and then I just have it set. Oh, please don't mess up. Okay. Well. And that happened. Sorry. Let me just... I need a better phone stand or something. That or better recording equipment. I'm so sorry, viewers. What? Okay. Okay, finally. So I'll show you around. So I just picked out this random island seed. Apparently there's nothing else other than this. Just all this right here. One giant island. Animals do spawn, so that's a good thing. And this is just going to be like Trinity Island, so rule is if you die, you're out. But if I die, I'm going to have to spectate because this is in my world. And, yeah. Let's see how long we can survive. I have it set so there's a bonus chest, which is over here. I'm using a texture pack, the Steampunk. And in the bonus chest there's all this, so we have food, we have axes, we have sticks, we have trees, we have wood, and all that good stuff. Every once in a while, off camera, I will give us a special reward, not to help us complete the bosses, but special reward as in like I'll put a bonus, and right now I'll put a chest like in the middle of the island. I guess to start off the series, we will. Let me just grab a sign quickly. That's a frame. But this will be the special items chest that will have every single episode. So. Special care package. Special care package. That's what the sign says. And I guess to start off the series, I will put a... Let's see, how many people are in this? So, me, Vincent, Dead Zone, and it's Sneek HD. So, it's gonna be 4 people. So I guess that is... yeah. So I'm going to put 4 stacks of steak. Oops. Sorry, I was messaging someone on Facebook. They want me to help them with trophies in Minecraft, so 1, 2, 3, 4. And, yeah. So, every day I will put something new, and there will be a rare chance where I will put 1 block of diamond for each person on the island. And, yeah. So, that's pretty much it. If you enjoyed this video and if you're excited for this series, please leave a like, comment, subscribe. No, you cannot join X Crash Money and Crash XX Money, whatever the hell your name is. And yeah. To end this video off, I'm going to say sheep. Sheep. Bye.